Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 8 SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Setup: open the file, save it with a new name, and ensure your name is in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. Step 2. Charts: copy the Q2 sales chart in the plans sheet and update it with Q1 data. Add a scatter chart in the ads table to show the relationship between advertising and plans sold. Add a trend line. Step 3. Payments pivot table. Create a pivot table for payments by state, showing totals and averages. Format as currency. Insert a combo pivot chart with a column chart for totals and a line chart for averages. Step 4. Family plans pivot table. Create a new pivot table filtered for family plans and display data in a clean tabular layout. Step 5. Sunburst chart. Add a sunburst chart in the orders sheet to visualize mobile device order hierarchies. Step 6. Updates. Adjust layouts, add a calculated sales difference column in the sales pivot sheet, and reorder fields. Update the family plan cost to $50 in the plans sheet and refresh all related data. Step 7. Slicer. Add a slicer for plan type to filter the pivot table and pivot chart for family and unlimited plans. Save your work and submit. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.